If you want a stroller that's easier to travel with without feeling huge or overcomplicated, this one right here is one that my family has been loving. It folds down quickly into a much smaller size, so it's easier for travel days, car trunks, airports, or just storing at home without taking up a ton of space. The seat feels roomy enough where babies don't look squished in, and there's enough space for more relaxed everyday outings. You can also adjust the recline position and leg rest depending on whether they want to sit up and explore or lay back once they get tired. And it pushes so smoothly during walks, and the lightweight design makes it easier to maneuver compared to larger strollers. While the canopy gives great sun coverage during outdoor walks, and the 5-point harness helps keep baby secure while still looking really comfortable. And I love the storage basket underneath that gives you room for everyday essentials without needing to carry everything yourself. So if you want something lightweight and easier to travel with while still keeping your baby nice and comfortable during longer outings, this is a really convenient option.